Hey y'all, today I scrapped this big microwave. These are the range like you put in the wall, top of your stove kind. Just not the countertop one, these are bigger. But I let it sit for maybe two and a half weeks. Cause this thing is known to hold a charge. So y'all be careful y'all doing this. I wear gloves, I'm a hothead, so. I took all the screws off. Cut the power cord wire off first. Wire is money. Then I don't. I watched everybody else's video. They said they got aluminum in here, and I don't see no aluminum in here. It's the only board it had. There's no aluminum, nothing on there. I think that's just copper, but I don't get all that. Plastic. The light bulb. Metal. I don't scrap metal. I don't have no truck. This is capacitor. I don't know what to do with these. I'm not just gonna dump it in the trash can. Got enough crap in the world already, so I'm gonna ask somebody about these, what to do, how you throw them away correctly. So I'm gonna hold on to that. A lot of metal right here. Fan. More plastic. More metal. Plastic. It's the board. Nothing. Plastic. Some more metal. I don't know about this. Does this have copper in it? I'm scared to mess with it, but I might put a hammer to it and see what it got in there. But this, I don't know, that's not got no copper. I think that's aluminum. No, it's not. Still all rust up. No, it might be aluminum. I'm not gonna break into that. It's too much work. But that's what I got out of it. These things have a lot of modems and stuff in there. This is a big modem, fan modem in the back. There's a bunch of copper in there. Put a hammer to that later. This is a lot of copper. This thing is heavy too. This, I guess it's what turns the tray inside. There's probably copper in there. This is, put a hammer to this and take that copper out. This, I might just sell as the modem. Probably too much work. It's a lot of wire, you see, a lot of wire in there. Messing up my Jordans, I'm not doing this. But simple, you just take the screws out, start yanking. Oh, this is trash. Is that what y'all get? Simple. Thank you for watching.